Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. If you are getting a AA plagiarism like this, 53% detected as AA, so get rid of the problem. So we will provide a better solution for you to reduce your AA plagiarism in your research paper. So let us go on to today's video. I am going to show you step-by-step procedure how to reduce this AA plagiarism in your research paper and convert that AA content into a humanized content. So for that, first go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this LMS solution, you will be having an option called LMS AA. So just to click on the option called LMS AA. So here you will be having different kinds of LMS AA templates. All these LMS AA templates are especially designed for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you a template called LMS AA Text Humanizer, a new template which is especially designed to reduce your AA plagiarism. So here you can see this is the AA Text Humanizer. You can just click on that AA Text Humanizer. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. In this AA Text Humanizer, you can copy and paste the content. I am going to show you a live example. I am going to generate content from ChatGPT and then I am going to check it for AA. And then again, I am going to do the convert the AA content to humanized content using this same tool. And then I am going to show you how the AA plagiarism is reduced. And I am going to show you the proof checked, that is proof checked paper what I have showed, that 53% into no percentage of AA. So first I am going to go use the ChatGPT. So in this ChatGPT, just click on a new chat. So this you can give any content to generate, especially for your research paper. So generate an introduction for the research paper for title machine learning algorithms and their impacts in cyber security. Like that I am going to give an input prompt like this. So this input prompt will provide a content for you. So here you can see that a detailed content regarding this will be generated. So I am going to check this for AA plagiarism. So in order to show you a live example, I am going to use Turnitin. AA originality AA. So it is more severe than Turnitin. So it will check AA very precisely. Paste here. So just to click on new scan and paste here and then scan the content we have generated from ChatGPT. So it is showing that slightly AA, 100% confident. This is how originality AA will direct the AA content what we have generated from ChatGPT. So here what I am going to do is I am going to make a Word file here. Going to copy the same content what I have generated from ChatGPT. So use the AA reduction, that is AA Text Humanizer template. Copy the content. Just copy, or you can copy it fully also. So if you copy paragraph by paragraph, it will provide a better content, that is around 500 words for a paragraph. And then just click on humanize. So it will analyze the content very deeply and it will convert a perfect humanized content. So you can just copy the content and you can again check with the plagiarism checking tool. So again go to original DA, just click on new scan and then paste here. After giving the humanized content, so just click on scan. So it will analyze the content. So and it will provide likely A, that is 91% confident. Again what you have to do is, so use the content again, just go to the template. For that only we have to do paragraph by paragraph. For that first I am going to use the first two paragraphs. Copy this first two paragraphs. So if you do overall, the A reduction will be very less. I am going to use the first two paragraph and then I am going to just click on humanize. So it will be humanized content. Copy this. Again open a new Word file. Paste here. So in the same way, do for the rest of the paragraphs also. So I am going to do paragraph by paragraph again. So if you do like this, so it will analyze the content deeply, even you get a better version of humanized content. So that is the main thing in this respective template. So copy this, again paste the paragraph. Again we will be having another two paragraphs. Copy this, do the same for all the rest of the paragraphs. The important thing is that if you do like this means, so without changing the meaning of that respective paragraph, it will convert into a humanized content. That is a very important part. So whenever you are, there are many AI tools are available in market. So whenever you are using this kind of tools, the important thing is that it has to be converted into a humanized version without changing the core meaning of the content. That is very important point in this kind of AI tools. So because there are many AI to humanized text converters, that is AI tools are available in market, but the important thing is that so it has to be done wisely. So again copy this content, go to the originality checker again. So it is very better than originality. If the originality AA percentage is less than 70%, surely Turnitin AA percentage will be no percentage of AA. So again I am going to copy the content, just click on scan. So it will analyze the content deeply, so and it will provide the content likely original. So it is given 100% confident, we are 100% confident that text is scan is original. You can see the difference between that, the way we have used that A template. So bulkly we have copied, but the A plagiarism is reduced only 9%. So after that we have did by paragraph, surely you will get 100% reduction in the A plagiarism. So in the same way we have checked and we are having the report of this the same paper, 53% A, and then it showed no percentage detected as A. This is how you can reduce your A content to get rid of this A plagiarism. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing and A plagiarism reduction simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.